I'll beat you. Nuh-uh. B1 Lee 458 wins. Alright, I'll clean your room. Yup. Oh. Hey, bud. Hey, bro. Free to come over? Sorry, bud, I've got work. Aw, man, what about Billy? Yeah, he's free. I'll ask Mum. Okay, text me, please. Got it. Alright, take care. Mum. Yes, dear? Tricky invited Bill over. Are you fine with him going by himself? Yeah, sure. Okay then. Billy, you're going to Tricky's place. I am? I packed. How? Bye, guys. Bye. Hi, Aunt Gemma. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Billy. Hi, Tricky. Mom's making lunch. Nice, I'm starving. Boys, food is ready. Beef burgers. 2 hours later. Alright, honey, I'll go put food in for Ritty, then I'll go pick up Bill. Huh? Did I order more cat food? Meh. Ritty, dinner. Meow. Vroom. Hi, Jem. Aw, hi, Lily. Mom, please can we stay for dinner? Ask Auntie. That's absolutely fine. Let's go! Meanwhile, hey Ritty, how's it? Rawr! Ah! Scan him. The being scanned is a cat that has swallowed something toxic. Hey Ritty! Dig in. You're back! Oh shoot. Oh hi Mom. Son, this house is a dump. It was... Sorry Mom, I'll clean it. Later. Boys, cake. The